You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in English. They're actually the same word, it's just a different spelling. This word has two different variants for the spelling. Only one single pronunciation. It's from Scotland originally, a helper or a servant to a fisherman or a hunter. Gillie, yes, it's a hard G pronunciation in English, from Scottish. Just whether there's the H in the spelling or not doesn't make any difference to the pronunciation. Pronounced English pronunciation. How to pronounce Gillie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.